We have 6 airdrops to go and check today, so make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and we jump straight onto the laptop without wasting your time. The first one is the Solst SIE. As we see here, simply go and connect your wallet. It is on the Solana side of things, so you can either Phantom, Backpack, very simple. Simply go and connect it, enter it, and you will realize whether or not you did receive the airdrop. Simply do the full steps. As we see here, this is the first of 6. It connects your wallet right here. Click on next, accept all of this, simply scroll all the way down and go and check. Here it also opens Backpack before the other Solana wallet, the Phantom wallet, but up to you, whichever you want to go and do it. I'm not going to bother you right now. As well as, guys, the trade that we did talk about it and I opened before, as we see here, I called it over on my Telegram. We are in profit over on Zumex, so come and join my Telegram. Link will be down below. As we see here, we are at 6% on profit. And yes, I do believe that it's going to go to 7123. So if you want to join, you're still in time to do it. Zumex link down below and you get yourself a nice promo as well. Next up, we have the Citria airdrop right here. You can claim the airdrop, connect your wallet. I will leave the link down below. Phantom, Kepler, Backpack, whichever one you want. Let's go and connect the Phantom, for example, as we see here. It's not supported in terms of the network, but you simply switch networks and you're good to go. Once again, I've never participated in this one. I will leave you the link down below. You can go and check it for yourself. I just don't want to waste your time. Next up, we have the rain.fi, as we see here, airdrop. So you simply go over to the offbroke.jupiter.aggregator. You connect your wallet, as we see here, whether it is Jupiter Expansion, Jupiter Mobile, Phantom, whichever one you want. We do have the Phantom one. You can sign and check over here, and you are good to go. Checking the location. If you're eligible, great. If you're not, you are not eligible. Make sure to go and check it. Another one over here on the Solana ecosystem. Then we have the trex.xyz airdrop right here. So simply the link will be down below. Once again, once everything loads, you can go and log in on the top right here, and you will be able to go and see all of these ones. So the campaigns, the home, the persona, the quest, and all that. If you did participate, you're also able to go, of course, grab your airdrop right here. Next up, we have the knowledge drop Sahara, as we see right here. Make sure to go and check it twice, because there are a lot of people that are trying to go and connect it. So there is a delay within the server, but you can go and check it. I will leave the link down below. And last but not least, we have the limitless airdrop right here. You simply log in or sign up depending on whichever one you've done, and you are good to go. So super simple, 6 airdrop. I don't want to waste your time. I want to keep it fast. I want to keep it short. But with that said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Ciao, guys.